Hello guys, it's Mr. Wahidul Haque here back with another video. I'm here with Abu Bakr.
Hello everyone.
He's here in his Porsche over there. We'll show you that soon. Okay, so today we're going to be changing the front wipers and the back ones, but that'll be in a separate video. Should we do it together? No, we'll make a separate video for that. So I'm going to show you how to first you need to put it into service mode and you need to get the replacement wipers. All you have to do is put in the reg number and it'll come up with what you need. Got the wipers, the Bosch ones. Bosch ones are recommended. Can you see it's leaving streaks here? My old one. Try to zoom in. Can you see the streaks here? Every time I use
Bosch or Michelin, I think it is.
yeah, so the one out. So yeah, Bosch or Michelin, they're good ones. Alright, so what you want to do is turn the key once, push it down, and then turn your car off. And then when it goes back down, you press it again down. It'll go up into service mode. Okay guys, now we're going to show you how to take off the wipers. Alright guys, these are the Bosch ones. It says Bosch right there. And can you see these are brand new rubber on there for cleaning. This one's the same, and this is the clip bit, as you can see. So it just clips in on this end. These are both different lengths. I think one's 19 inch, one's 24 inch, because these are different lengths as well. I think that one's longer and this one's smaller.
It says it here on it. On this.
Yeah, 19 and 24 there. But which one to put on which? Okay, so we're going to take it off now and show you how to do that, and then we'll put the new ones on. To take them out, you literally pull it there, pull it out. Simple as that. They're the old ones. Shit, which one's the long one? Short one's on that side, long this side.
The long one.
That one. Okay, so you just clip it in. Push it down. Don't say that. Oh, you squeeze it in.
That's the mechanism.
Yeah, that's the locking mechanism. Down. There you go.
Look how nice that is.
Oh my god, look how nice that is. He says Bosch there as well.
Yeah, give me the other one.
Oh god, double it up, bro. Put on.
It's 2 minutes. They charge you £3 for this.
No, £3 a blade.
Oh, they charge you £3.
So that would have been £9.
Yeah, for what?
For a 2-minute job.
No, I don't know.
Halfords are rip-off. Don't ever let Halfords do it for you. Do it yourself. Literally just clip it in place. You have to squeeze it.
This one to do it. There.
Oh, it's not going straight, that's why. You have to make it straight. There you go.
They're done.
Once a clip, they're done.
Get these two.
And these are the old ones. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.